In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multi-pinning in Google Meet. This handy feature is perfect when you want to keep an eye on multiple presenters or participants at the same time, enhancing your virtual meeting experience. So let's jump right into how you can make the most out of multi-pinning. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Google Meet URL, or simply searching for it using a search engine. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you're ready to take the next step. Click on Start an Instant Meeting. This option allows you to quickly host a meeting without the need for scheduling in advance, which is perfect for impromptu sessions or when you're in a rush. Clicking this will almost instantly create a new meeting room where you'll be the host. Now that your meeting is set up, you'll see various options and controls in the interface. Look for the people icon, typically found at the bottom right or among the top toolbar options depending on your screen size and layout. Clicking on people will bring up a sidebar displaying all the participants currently in the meeting, giving you a comprehensive view of who's online and who you might want to pin to your screen. Next, focus on the participant you want to pin. To do this, you need to locate the three-dot icon next to their name in the participants list. This icon opens a menu with several functions you can perform related to that participant. Click on this three-dot icon and a drop-down menu with different options will appear. From this menu, select Pin to the Screen. This action will pin the chosen participant's video feed to your screen, making it fixed and prominent. If you need to pin additional people, simply repeat this process for each participant you want to keep visible. Multi-pinning in Google Meet allows you to follow multiple discussions with ease, especially in larger meetings or classroom settings where seeing everyone at once is necessary. With this straightforward skill in your toolkit, you can easily navigate and manage the flow of your virtual meetings with better control. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to employ multi-pinning in Google Meet, ensuring that you never miss a beat in your online interactions. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and will put it to good use in your future meetings. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.